Here was a request. Peppa Pig, get grounded. Get here! I'm not letting you to get away. You don't have me. Peppa wear a bikini and Lord Nintendo headquarters with bee oil and get slapped by Mac Bead. Good. It's not fair. I wonder what to do today. I have the amazing freaking idea. I'm going to wear a bikini and Lord the Nintendo headquarters with bee oil and Lord the Nintendo headquarters down and explode the Nintendo headquarters with bee oil. Ha 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 ha. Alright, I wear a bikini. Now time to go to Nintendo headquarters. Alright, there's Nintendo headquarters. And have a stupid bee oil, you stupid Nintendo headquarters! Take that, Nintendo headquarters! The bee oil made of water! Breaking news! I'm a giant so Peppa wear a bikini and Lord the Nintendo headquarters with bee oil and Lord the Nintendo headquarters with bee oil. And with household, she's gonna get ran over with Peppa and she's gonna get freaking out home. And she's gonna get destroyed Nintendo headquarters and he got away and so he gonna get slapped back with his bell. Goodbye. Peppa, wear a bikini and Lord the Nintendo headquarters with bee oil and explode the Nintendo headquarters with bee oil. That's it. We're gonna get slapped back with a bow. Oh my God! Oh no! Get back! Peppa, I cannot believe you! You wear a bikini and Lord the Nintendo headquarters with bee oil and exploded with Nintendo headquarters with bee oil! But Dad, I didn't mean to do it! Yes, you will! That's it! I'm gonna freaking take your lesson again! No, Dad, please! No! That's freaking too bad! That's it! Now we're gonna get our ultimate smash.